Hi everyone, welcome to African Gardening. Alright, today what I'm going to be showing you, earlier on I made a video just showing you about the pomegranates that I've planted in the pots in my house. And like I said, I encourage every one of us to have a tree in our house. I mean, it's a tree that's going to produce lots and lots of juicy fruits for you for so many years. So right now, a lot of people are probably wondering, what's the best way to juice a pomegranate fruit? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to harvest about one or two or three of them, and then we're going to extract the juice. So this is the juice extractor I suggest, I recommend for people to use. It costs about 5,000, 6,000 naira in Nigeria. It's quite efficient. I've been using it for several months now. It's sturdy as well. It's strong. It's made in China, so it's available in most appliances store. So what I'm going to do right now, we're going to go ahead and let's harvest. Bring the camera closer. So this is right. Let me quickly say this. Every pomegranate tree, they don't ripen at the same time. Some they're ripe after about 5 months, some after about 6 months. This particular variety, it gets ripe after about 5 months. So how do I know it's ripe? Once you look at it, it's totally yellow or red. As long as you don't see any other green and it's big, then it's ripe. Of course, you look at how long it's taking from the time of pollination to that current time. So if it's about 5 months, then it's ripe. So we've taken the first one. So let's take another big one. Right. This even have a split, so it's ready. Right. So I have two of them. I think we can make the juice from this two. If I have another one, you can get it. All right. So that's it. So I have these two pomegranates. I'm going to go wash them now. Then I will start by extracting the seeds. The seeds are called aerials. You're going to see them in a short moment. All right. So I've washed the fruits, and then we're going to start the juicing process. So the first thing you're going to do, I mean, you don't have to wear this, but I normally just wear this. All right, so the first thing I do, you remove this, you take out the back, and I just cut it in 4 sectors. But watch what I do. Take this and I go like this, all the way. You're not going to cut through, it's just, that's it. One, then I do again, start from here. So, what do I have? So, when I open it, you can see that's what you have. Yep, so you can see the aerials. So the seeds are called aerials, A-R-I-L-S. So that's where the juice is. So then we start. Right. Wow, it's good. Lots of juicy. So just bring them up, that's all. There's nothing to it. So, well, let me just tell you something. The pomegranate seeds, there are 2 types. Some are hard-seeded and some are soft-seeded. But the seeds are edible. The only thing is that for the hard-seeded ones, if your teeth are not strong, you probably might have a hard time crushing them. So this variety is, this one I'm about to juice now. It's a hard-seeded. The Kenyan variety I showed you earlier, those are soft-seeded. It's got lots of delicious seeds. You can actually eat the seeds raw as well. It's okay. But I love the juice, especially when it's chilled. All right, so you can see the number of aerials from just one pomegranate. It's plenty, massive. So you can decide to eat it like this, but like I said, I prefer juicing it. I mean, the seeds itself, the hard seed itself, it has lots of fiber, and the flesh has lots of juice, packed with powerful antioxidants. So this is the second one. So, like I said, just use your knife, move the top, remove this. Watch your hand so you don't cut. So watch, I'm going to do this. Just go all the way. And I go the other side, start again, all the way. Watch your hand. So, back again. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. Wow. This is nice. All right. So in some cases, the pomegranate fruits are attacked by pests and all that. You're going to see that in other videos, but there are solutions to that. So don't get yourself worried. In case you've planted pomegranates and you open them and it turns black, in other videos, you're going to see the solutions to solving that problem. All right, guys. So you can see lots of juicy aerials packed with powerful antioxidants. So let's go ahead. So this is to get the chaff, and this one is just to push it. So you can actually get someone to scoop it. But I'm just using my hand now to fill it up. All right, so use this one. Just gently push it until the juice is coming. All right, so I can just use my hand to hold it. There you go. Whoa, lots of juice. Let's go again. Some of you might be wondering why I'm using a slab. This juicer requires that it has a suction pad at the bottom, so you need a slab. You need something so it won't stick to wood, it will stick to glass, stick to marble, or a tile. Whoa, there you go. Very easy. All right, there we go. So look at that. Just from 2 pomegranates, we have this. So I'm just going to put it here. Whoa. That's a lot, so you can see. So this, in fact, normally the doctors recommend, if you want to take care of heart problems, just half of this every day is about 125 ml. For those that are suffering from erectile dysfunction, doctors recommend just one glass of this every day. I mean, from the research they did, they found out that the men that were taking pomegranate juice, this one glass, that's about 250 ml every day, after about 2 weeks, the testosterone level rose to about 30%. It was 30% higher than those of the people that were not taking pomegranate juice. All right? So before I take the juice, let's make a toast. Let's make a toast to home gardening, make a toast to a better Nigeria, and make a toast for a better week. Wow, This is super delicious. Like I said, I recommend every one of us to have a pomegranate tree in your house and enjoy the benefits of this super fruit. Thank you.